Hi, hello student. Welcome to the our college Bildur English Gurukul and Junior College Bildur. Myself is Adar THA. My subject mathematics. I will explain this class ninth class mathematics. Uh, what is syllabus of ninth class mathematics? First, I will introduction to the syllabus of mathematics in your ninth class. Okay, mathematics paper subject containing two parts in ninth class. Mathematics subject having two papers, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 having 7 topics and part 2 having 9 topics. I will explain details in syllabus in this video in ninth class. Okay. First, all of you understand mathematics, ninth mathematics having two papers, paper 1 and paper 2 means part 1 and part 2. Mathematics part first and mathematics part 2. I will explain the details what is syllabus of mathematics first and mathematics second. Okay, I will tell to part first, mathematics first. Mathematics first and mathematics second. Mathematics second. Mathematics having two parts in your ninth class. Mathematics part first, mathematics part second. Mathematics part first having 7 topic. In 7 topic, first topic is sets. First topic is sets. Next, second topic is real numbers. Second topic is real numbers. Okay. Third topic is polynomials. 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 Third topic is polynomials. And fourth topic is ratio. Ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Next, fifth one, linear equation in two variables. Fifth one, linear equation. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Next, sixth one, financial planning. Very important chapter, interesting and important chapter, financial planning. Financial planning. Next, sixth one topic is financial planning. Next, seventh one topic, last topic, statistics. Very interest and useful topics in your life and everyday life used in statistics. Statistics. Okay. I will once again told the name of the topics. First topic is sets or set, only set or sets. Okay. Second topic is real numbers. In all of you know about numbers. In numbers including real numbers. What is the meaning of real numbers and what type of number is called real numbers? I will detail explain in topic. Next, polynomials. Polynomials. Next, ratio and proportion. Next, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Next, financial planning. Next, financial planning. Last one is statistics. This paper containing 40 marks. This paper containing 40 marks and second mathematics 2 containing 40 marks. Totally 80 marks in your theory exams and 20 marks is your oral exams. Okay. 20 plus 80, 80 plus 20. Next, I will explain the uh, introduction to syllabus or mathematics 2. I will once again told you mathematics. Ninth mathematics have two books. Mathematics first and mathematics second. Part 1 and part 2. Mathematics part first and mathematics part 2. Mathematics part 2 first containing 7 topics and mathematics 2 containing 9 topic. I will explain the detail 7 topic and 9 topic in second mathematics 2. First topic in mathematics 2, first topic basic concept of geometry. First topic is basic concept of geometry. All of you know geometry in junior class, 7th class, 8th class and 6th class up to starting first, 4th or 5th class geometry. The meaning of geometry all of you understand. Next, the basic concept of geometry. What is the meaning of geometry and what is the useful of in geometry in mathematics? I will explain the in topic level. First, this video is I will only explain the syllabus in your 9th class. Okay. Next, second topic is parallel lines. Second topic is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Second topic is parallel lines. In junior level means in junior class, 7th class, 8th class, only lines are studied in your class. Lines, planes, shapes, geometry, triangle. Here 9th one, parallel lines. Parallel meaning two lines are studied about in single level. Two lines, parallel lines. Okay. Next, third one, triangles. Third one, triangles. What is the meaning of triangles? How to construct the triangles? And what is the importance of triangles? Triangles mean triangles. Triangles means triangles consisting having 3 sides and 3 angles. This is a triangles. This is triangle. All of you know this is triangle. Triangle name is A, B, C. Is a name. A is a angle A, angle B, angle C. All of you understand basic concept of triangles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Triangles having compulsory 3 sides and 3 angles. A, B, C are angle. Angle A, this is symbol of angle. Angle B, next angle C. Next, side AB. First, side AB. Next, side BC. Next, side CA. This is side. Triangles having 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay. This is a basic concept of triangle. Next topic, fourth one, construction of triangle. Means how to construct, how to create triangles, how to construction of triangle. Fourth one, construction of triangles. Fourth topic is construction of triangles. Next, fifth one topic is quadrilaterals. Very important topic. Quadrilaterals. Next, sixth one, circle. All of you know circle. This is one point. This point up to the same distance. This point, same distance. This is same distance. Okay. Collection of distance between point to collection of all points. This circle central point, distance between central point to boundary of the circle is same distance. Collection of all points is called locus. Set of the locus from point. This is boundary is called set of the locus. Set of the locus from fixed point is called circle. What is the definition of circle? Set of the locus from fixed point. Fixed point to fixed distance. Boundary is called circle. Which only I will told trailer of this. Next I will explain in topic level. Okay. I hope all of you understand. This is shape of circle. Only shape of the circle. Next seventh topic. Coordinate geometry. Very very important geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Next, coordinate geometry. This is seventh topic. Next, eighth topic, trigonometry. What is the eighth topic? Trigonometry. What is the meaning of trigonometry? In Marathi, trigonometry. Trigonometry. Eighth topic is trigonometry. Okay. Last one topic is, what is the last one topic? I know eighth topic is trigonometry. Last topic is the surface area and volume. Very very important. Surface area and volume. Last topic is surface area. Surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. This is your detailed syllabus in 9th class. 9th class syllabus in English medium. 9th class syllabus. Okay. Once again I will repeat the all topics name once again. First one, set. Sets. Next, real numbers. Sets, real numbers. Second one. Third one, polynomials. Fourth one, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Next, linear equation in two variables. Fifth topic is linear equation in two variables. Next, sixth one, financial planning. Financial planning. Next, last one, statistics. Last topic is statistics. Okay. These 7 topics having containing 40 marks in your annual exam. In your annual exam, this paper have 40 marks. Okay, all of you understand? This paper have 40 marks. Next, mathematics 2. Mathematics 2 containing 9 chapters. First one, basic concept of geometry. In useful meaning of geometry and what you learn inside the geometry, and very important, geometry means shape of the any object. Learning the shape of the any object in geometry, learning to the shape of any object. In any object, line, plane, triangle, square, rectangle, circle, sphere, all of the shape of this all objectives. Okay. Next, parallel lines. All of you know line. This is one line. Here one line. Line AB is called line AB. Here we will study about parallel lines. Two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, two lines moving in distance in some moving to the some parallel planes, means same distance, same direction, means is one line and this is one line. CD is another line. This is two lines are called parallel lines. This is two lines are called parallel lines. Okay. Line PQ and line MN. Okay. These two lines are also parallel lines. This is line PQ and line MN. This is line is called PQ and MN are parallel. is a mathematically how to write parallel. This is a parallel word, but how to write mathematics? Parallel. This is symbol of parallel. This is symbol of parallel. These two AB and CD are parallel. I will told you word. AB AB is parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. AB is parallel to CD. Next, how to write? This is mathematical symbol. Simply, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. Next, PQ is parallel to MN. PQ is parallel. PQ is parallel to MN. Okay. How to write in mathematics? Mathematically, PQ parallel to the MN. This symbol of parallel. And once again, I will repeat you parallel in parallel in similarity and parallel with perpendicular. Parallel lines and perpendicular lines is very important in mathematics. This is called parallel. Means ABCD is perpendicular. How to write? AB is perpendicular to CD. Here is AB line. Here AB lines. AB lines. And this is CD line. This is CD line. This is right perpendicular. CD is perpendicular to AB. How to write? CD is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means two lines are crossing. Two lines are crossing means here one line and here one line. The crossing. Parallel means same way direction. This is parallel. Parallel means same way and perpendicular means opposite way. Very I will easily told parallel means same direction. Two lines are same direction is parallel. This symbol is this is parallel. Okay. This another important concept is perpendicular. Perpendicular means this is one line and this is another line. This is perpendicular. This symbol is also perpendicular. How to write symbolically in mathematics perpendicular and parallel? AB is parallel to CD. This is mathematical symbol. And AB is perpendicular to CD or CD is perpendicular to AB. This is a perpendicular symbol. I hope all of you understand parallel symbol and perpendicular symbol and how to write lines are parallel and perpendicular. Parallel means same way. This is same way. This is parallels. Perpendicular means opposite. This is one line, this direction, and another line is the opposite direction. This is a perpendicular way. I hope all of you understand the concept of parallel and perpendicular. Okay. Next, third topics. Third topic is triangles. Triangles. Triangles meaning of topic. Tri means three. Angle means this is made by two lines. Angle is made by two lines. This is angle. This is called angle. Here, what distance two lines are crossing the one point? What is distance is called angle. Triangles means three. Tri means three. Angles means this is shape of angle. Three angles is called triangles. In triangles, compulsory three angles and three sides. All of you understand? Three angles and three sides. Okay. I hope all of you understand what is meaning of triangles. Three angles and three sides. Okay. Here one angle. here one angle, and here another two angle, and here one joint three angle. Three angle A, give the name of the angle A, B, C, three angles. Here how to write, once again I will tell. Angle A, this is symbol of angle. Next angle B, next angle C. How to write sides? Side AB and side BC and side AC. Side AC. The triangles having compulsory three angles and three sides. And the next topic is construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. How to construct means how to draw the triangles in by using geometry box. In geometry box, how to construct the triangle. In geometry section, how to construct any angle and given to the two sides and draw the angles, and find out the first three sides and draw the angles, and given data in used to the how to create the angles, how to create and how to construct the angles. In next fourth one topic is how to construct the angles. Quadrilaterals means fourth. Quadrilaterals means in Cartesian system, x and y axis, x axis and y axis, x axis and y axis. Two lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular means crossing. This is called quadrilaterals. First quadrilateral, second quadrilateral. Quadrilation means four. This is a square is also one quadrilateral, and is called, and I will details in discussing the topic quadrilaterals. Okay. Next, circle. All of you know about circle. Shape of the circle. How to shape of the circle. Circle. This is your college ground is circle, and your using the ring is circle. In everyday life, you will look the anything in circle shape. All of you understand? Circle, any everyday life, look the in any circle, ground and ring, and next balls. Yeah, all of you circle shape. In how to study the circle and what is useful in circle shape, how to, what is the application of circle in your life, how to use it and circle, I will tell you details in explanation and topic. Coordinate geometry. Last, ordinate means points. Coordinate means 2 points are mixed, means here 2 is the 1 point, number also called is point, and here 1 is another point, sir. This is the symbol of 2 1. Coordinate points means coordinate geometry, means how to draw the coordinate geometry in Cartesian system. This is Cartesian system. Here x axis, sorry, here y axis and here x axis. Draw to the 1 2, here 1 2 3, here 1 2 3, here -1 -2 -3, -1 -2 -3. 2 1 means first look at the x axis and second look at the y axis. This system is also called coordinate geometry. How to use coordinate in Cartesian system. Okay. Next, trigonometry. Very important and interesting topic is in our mathematics. Trigonometry. Tri means tree. Gono means sides. Next, metry means measure. Very important. Tri means tree. Gono means side. Metry means measure. Three sides measure is called trigonometry. Three sides measure in trigonometry. In three sides, how to, what three sides measure? In triangle. In trigonometry, triangle, three sides measure. In actually what you learn to trigonometry, only right angle triangles. Means what is right angle triangles? A triangle having 90-degree compulsory is called 90-degree right angle triangle. In trigonometry are used only 90-degree triangle. Means right angle 90-degree triangle is called right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, how to draw the right angle triangle? I will explain in few words. This is the right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here one angle is also compulsory 90-degree, A, B and C. One angle is compulsory 90-degree, ABC. This is ABC. One angle is compulsory 90-degree. Remaining two angle is how much degree? The sum of the triangle, sum of the right angle triangle is 180-degree. All of you understand? Here one angle B is 90-degree. Remaining two angle is 45-degree. Remaining two angle is 45-degree. What is actually learned to the right angle triangle? Here given data is 45-degree and side AC. Draw the right angle triangle. Given data is only angle C is 90-degree. Angle C is 90-degree. Angle A is angle C is 45-degree and angle A is 45-degree. 45-degree. What is angle B? Find out what is angle B. Directly tell you. First angle is 45-degree. Second angle is 45-degree. Directly tell you 90-degree. Okay. In trigonometry, compulsory used in a right angle triangle. Here one formula is very useful. What is formula? Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras formula. What is the meaning of Pythagoras formula? I hope all of you know about Pythagoras formula in triangle ABC. What is Pythagoras formula? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square is a Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. All of you, how to use this formula, and you will senior level means junior level 8th class and 7th class. What is Pythagoras theorem? Okay. Next I will explain the in trigonometric chapter, explain the what is Pythagoras theorem and how to use the Pythagoras theorem and how to create the Pythagoras theorem. I will explain details. Okay. Next, surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. What is the meaning of this topic? Surface area and volume. Area means, what is the meaning of area? In triangle or rectangle, any take any shape. Take any shape. I will take the one triangle. Here one triangle. Triangle A PC. What is the area of this triangle? This is boundary. Inside the boundary of area is called region. This is the area. This is called area of triangle. Area of triangle. What is volume? Volume means you take one shape of this shape. This is a cylinder shape or conical shape. Cylinder. In cylinder shape, how to take the water in this cylinder or this box, and this is also is called one type of box. Means inside the water some objective. How many object inside this shape? Volume. How means volume means what is the boundary of this objective, and how much objective inside this shape. Volume. surface area and volume. Volume means in Marathi meaning gunpowder म्हणतात. Gunpowder means volume. In your geometry, I will explain to surface area and volume. Okay, this is in your syllabus of 9th class. Okay, I hope all of you understand what is syllabus of our mathematics 9th class syllabus. I will start the first topic, set. Sets or set. I will continue the next video, what is set and what is meaning of set and what is useful of set theory, and next I will tell you next video what is meaning of set and first topic, sets. Okay, thank you student. Next I will start the next video, set theory, in your first part mathematics first topic, sets. Okay, thank you student.